So, hello. This is the second time I'm trying to record this, but today I'm showing you how to download a MetaTrader 5 demo account from IC Markets. So let's check it out. We are opening Google Chrome or your web browser. We are searching for IC Markets. Then IC Markets EU or IC Markets, that one, icmarkets.com. Proceed is important. The website you're visiting now is open by Raw Trading, IC Markets Global, and that is not established in European Union or regular payment. Okay. Okay, they will direct me to the EU one, but it would be the same for you if you're not in the EU, right? What we want is a demo account. Try a free demo. You can see it here. Now we have to fill in the information. I will cut it here, right? Just fill in the information and stuff. So what we did is now we were checking our emails, and where it says secure account, right? Secure area login. Then you choose a password, and with that login with your email and the password, you log in into IC Markets. And then you go on accounts here and demo account, MT5, open new demo account. With this one, we choose raw spread. Yeah, we choose raw spread, currency USD. Leverage, we put it on 130, we leave it. Initial deposit. So you can choose how much money you want on your demo account, but I think because the cheapest prop firm challenges, for example, are like the $5,000 account. So if you want to trade it like that, I would go with the 5,000 one. Proceed. Okay. So I will check my emails. Maybe I get an email or something for it. But let's see. Okay, we got an email with the demo trading login details. What we do now is download MetaTrader 5. So download MetaTrader 5. We clicked on it and it says here MetaTrader 5 download MT5. So open it. Yes. For me it's in German. Just click on next. Then you have to wait here. It is installing and it's done. Now we click on done. Then it opens, of course, this thing. You just close it. We don't need that. Then we wait. We wait because it will open automatically, the MetaTrader 5. At least it should be open automatically. Oh, I already have it. That's why I already have it. So for you, it will come up where you choose the IC Markets, and then you have to put in your demo account. So the login details are in your email, and the login is this number. And the password Oh. Oh. Check accounts. There you go. You click on accounts and show password. You copy this. Copy. You paste. Paste it here. I see markets demo. For you, it's maybe not EU demo. For you, it's maybe something different, but it should be demo. Incoming mail. So now we have our $5,000 account. This is it. If you want to change the language, you just go here, language. I will change it to English. English. There it is. Okay, I have to new start. There you go. So it's like view languages. And if you want to change it on dark mode, it's like color themes and dark. Like it's dark now. Like it is for me. So what we do here is we have charts here. And what I don't want is that I have so much here. So I will go on and delete some charts or some tickers here. Like USD CAD, I don't want. Right click on it, hide, delete. Odd USD, right click, delete. I delete those ones. Hide, delete. Delete. USD JPY, I cannot delete. Why I cannot delete USD JPY? Because it's open here in a chart. First, I have to close it, right click, USD JPY, and close. Now, I can delete it here. What we also don't want for now is the US30, close, and delete. And you know what? I will close this, the Euro USD as well. Okay. So what do we need here? So let's delete. I cannot delete this, but I can delete JPUSD. XA. Do we delete this? So we want to put in a new ticker, which means we click to add GBP USD. Great Britain pound versus US dollar. Enter. Right click. Chart window. We also add. Now I will delete this one. I will delete this one, and I will put in Euro USD as well again. Yeah, I just do this because I had indicators on my chart, and it's the fastest way to get rid of them. Euro USD, chart window. What we need more is XAU USD. That's gold versus US dollar. Enter, right click, chart window. And what we need more is BTC USD, Bitcoin USD. Enter, right click, chart window. For now, we have these tickers that we want to trade. All these ones, the Forex ones and gold, they are closed today because today is Saturday. So they are closed, the markets are closed, except for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading. So what we do now is we go here, arrange windows as non-overlapping tiles, and click on it. Now we have all the 4 charts we have here. Then we click on the first chart here, right click, and click on grid, so we can get rid of the grid. And the same we do everywhere here. Right click, grid. Right click, grid. Right click, grid. Okay. Now I told you we have a $5,000 account, and I told you, so these charts are all on the 1 hour, and you can change the time frame here. Like I have selected Bitcoin here, it's on the 4 hour now, on the 1 day, 50 minutes, but go back to 1 hour. What we do now is, because these markets are closed, we concentrate on Bitcoin now. So just open it here. So we have a nice big chart of Bitcoin. And then we go to the 50-minute frame. And then what I do always with my charts is click this one, shift end of the charts from right border. I have selected both of them here, right? So it's better to look at the price for me. But charting we do on TradingView, right? How to enter a trade? That's easy. You just click here, show trade panel, okay? And you go on TradingView, you chart, and let's say you want to sell Bitcoin because you think it's going down more, right? Then you put in your lot size, which is 0.01 is the minimum you can trade with. Because we have a $5,000 account, that's not that much that we can trade with. So you cannot trade with 1 lot, I think. Let's try it and click on sell. I accept. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't allow you to trade with 1 lot because we don't have that much money. So we have to go down 0.5 lots. That's also not working too much. So we try 0.05. And I don't think that we will. Sell. Oh yeah, sell. And now we have a margin of 2,000 something, right? So we clicked on sell because we think that the price will go down. So we open a short trade, which means selling. Now I can go here, Bitcoin, then modify position. And here you can put your stop loss and take profit in. The stop loss, it has to be above the price we went in, because we are selling right now. So our entry price is 113,676. Oh, it says here as well. This is our entry price. So, or it's what was the actual price? Well, so the stop loss, I just put it for now. For now, I just change it to 113,800. And the take profit, I would do to 113,300. Okay, so this is the take profit. If the price goes here, if it comes down here, it will automatically close if it hits this range. If it hits the target, and we will make $14 profit. If the price goes against us, and it goes back up here again, and it hits the stop loss, we will lose here $9.89. But if you think that, okay, it can go up and maybe turn here, then you can take it and move it up here, the stop loss. That's a reasonable place for the stop loss here. even if you put it like this. So you lose $20 if it goes here, right? And you make $14 if it goes back down here. But you can also put it like this, right? To just make $8. Or if you think the price will go down like here, you make $42, right? And this is the 50-minute chart, which means one candle are 15 minutes. You also can go out and the 1 hour chart, the 4 hour chart, the daily chart. This is one candle is 1 day of price movement. If you think that Bitcoin is crashing now and it goes down to $110,000, then you can put your take profit. You can put it here, and you will make $162 with this trade. You just let it open and it goes, and if it's the price here, it will close with the profit of $162. If it goes against you, of course, you will lose the $20. You can put also the stop loss, you can put it back up here. Oh my god, and you will lose $355, right? But let's leave it for now. Let's leave it like this. But if you're saying, okay, oh, wait, I made a mistake, or I have enough profit, I don't want to wait, you can just close it here. Take profit, and it's closed. And then you can see on, let's see, history. Yeah, we made $1.91. Of course, on the demo account, on this one, there is no commission, no fee. And you can change the settings here. If you want to see the fee and commission, you can just go here, show on charts. No. Month range, grid, columns. It's columns, and you can check what you want to see. So if it's different for you, you can do it here. But that's it. That's why you open and close, because MetaTrader5 is just to connect with your broker, and so you can open and close trades. And charting, I don't do charting on this one. I do charting on TradingView, which I told you how. So I click double, sorry for that. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.